There's one thing this city's taught me. You can put a price on anything. Secrets, reputations, a life. And trust? If you have to ask, you can't afford it. But then I suppose none of that matters when you're me. After all, when did I ever pay for anything? Too much light. Let's make it a little more cozy in here. Someone's a bird lover. That painting's more my taste. I should take a closer look. What the? Well, they do call the rooftops the thieves' highway. I just hope that's not who I think it is. Ah. Aaron. Of course it is. Care to make a little more noise next time?
How else would you know it was me? Basso did tell you we were working together on this, right?
Well, I showed up, so what do you think?
I think you haven't changed a bit. Come on, it'll be just like old times. Glad you could make it.
Did you pick that route because it was fast or because you thought it'd be fun?
Can it be both?
Come on, let's get Basso his commission. Are you going to use any of those shadows, Lady Lamplight?
I was just scouting ahead. I know you always like to go first. You should get yourself one of these. You on the other side.
Looks like I won't be going that way.
Let's finish unloading before summer's day is over. Why not train to a job well done first? We can't just leave the cart out here.
It's festival time. Your average thief will be under a table in an alehouse.
And the watch will be liquored up too. I'm not haggling fines with a drunk guard again.
Garrett, come on. Jealous of the claw? I made it myself.
I'm sure the watch will be very impressed. They'll certainly hear us coming.
They'll have to catch me first.
Just be aware of your surroundings.
It's not about taking in the sights, Garrett. It's about taking in the loot. You do still steal, right?
I've been stealing since before you could.
Look what I found. You and me out on the town? Why did we stop doing this again?
Do you really need to ask? It pays to keep a low profile in places where I'm not welcome. There's a lot of those places.
If you're going to urinate in the street like a watchman, at least do it out of the light. Everybody can see you.
The ale has to go somewhere, dear. I'm just the middleman. Besides, you're the only one watching.
Every day I'm reminded what a king you were.
Come on, let's go try those scaffoldings.
How much did you steal?
It's not how much you steal. It's what you steal.
And how you steal it. Looks like this primal stone thing that Basso wants is in the ceremony room at North Crest Manor.
It's the Baron's mansion. Won't be easy.
Worried?
Yes, and so should you.
We'll be fine. I'll pick up your slack.
This job's getting more complicated by the second.
It's a lot of guards.
They're definitely not here for the summer festival dance. A lot of guards means a lot of steel. Thieves and swords do not get on well.
I've never had a problem with swords. But then again, I'm not just a thief.
We can't let the Baron's guests see this thing giving out. And we can't frigging see without it.
Off and on all the time.
So you can't fix it?
Do I look like an engineer to you? None of the staff can keep up with all of the lordship Baron.
Bronson, over here.
Huh?
Help the new boy, will you? He's been trying to light a fire basket for 10 minutes. What am I?
Stupid Strauss. Can't these damn things stay lit? Every time I get it going, it fizzles out again.
Instead of cloth and flame, it was doused in oil, son. I'll show you how it's done. Pack it together too close, then the air won't feed the flames.
I should know better. My family used to be charcoal burners.
Oh, yeah? That's work you don't see much since the factories came. Huh? Oh, come on. What?
I need to take him down quickly, quietly, and alive.
What just happened? Why'd you kill this guard? He was barely older than you.
He was a guard, Garrett. Wrong place, wrong time.
You haven't changed, have you?
What's that supposed to mean?
It means I don't kill without thought or good reason, and I don't get paid for it.
So basically it's okay when you do it, but not me. I see. I get it. But you know that guard? He's not gonna wake up later and follow our trail to cause trouble.
When any guards wake up, I'm usually long gone.
If you're so eager to leave, maybe I should go first. You're holding me back.
Relying on that claw's holding you back.
What's going on here? You'd better stay hidden if you're messing with me. Noise here, a sound there. It's nothing. What could that sound have been? Step out. Go back where you came from. It wasn't anything, I suppose. Ah, ring the frigging bells. If you keep pacing up and down, you'll wear through those new boots.
It's my girl, sir. She's sending me to her father. He doesn't know I joined the watch.
And city watch means honor.
The thing is, sir, he believes that rat sack rumor about us being on the take.
You worried I might beat you to this thing? I'd share.
I'm worried you're gonna get us both killed.
I can handle myself, okay? I can move faster, I can climb faster, I can...
You could kill faster and make mistakes faster. I get it. You're not in control.
That's why I'm better. Deal with it. Let's just get the job done.
I think we'll do it without this.
I'm guessing that's what we're after. The primal stone.
Robes. Robes are always a bad sign.
Brothers Cornelius, Aldous, present the keys.
This barren Northwest.
Brothers of the Awakened, we are gathered here to usher this city into a new age, one of progress and industrial enlightenment. Let us begin the channeling of the primal. Sembla Strakakan. Skermamakana.
Come on, let's go down there. This will be fun.
No. We're done here. Job's over.
What? Are you joking?
Something's not right. It's too dangerous. And you're not ready yet.
You know, I'm not a kid anymore. I can do this. I'm going down there with or without you.
Not without this, you know. Don't move.
Garrett, I'm slipping! Ah! Garrett, give me the claw!
Looks like he's waking up. Come on. Stop slacking. We gotta get him in the city before they call the lockdown.
Pace yourself, boy. We just need to get him to the clock tower, safe and sound, and then we'll be rosy.
Where's this cart going?
Baker's and Stone Market.
Was I talking to you? Hey! Get moving! Fucking beggars.
Makes you miss the old watch.
The voices! Stop the nightmare!
The gloom's getting worse.
Everywhere except Oldale. Someone should do something.
Nobody gives a shit about us, boy. You'll learn that soon enough.
All he cares about is progress. Do you want to see more of these bloody pipes everywhere?
You're the boss! That's enough!
Do you? That's not food for our bellies. That's not medicine for the sick. You don't think you're safe because you got a job shoveling shit for the rich. The Baron has a noose for every one of us. But change is coming. Orion is going to bring change. The Baron will burn. See? They're scared of the truth.
Keep your head down.
You there! Who are you speaking with?
Stop!
Something's not right. I'll make the clock tower clear my head.
Don't let him get away!
Hero! Traitors Gate closed till morning, by Baron's decree.
I can't make sense of this order, locking us up.
City up.
Footsteps?
Stop there!
The claw's fairly quiet when used the right way. Aaron made this thing sound noisier than it is.
Hero! Stonecutters Court closed for the night. No thoroughfare.
What are you looking at?
Price on that jeweled mask.
Be enough to feed 100 squawking mouths for a year.
Don't you go catching your conscience now.
I can cut through the jewelers to get around these gates. Besides, that mask sounds interesting. Anyone left who knows how to fix these frigging things?
Good luck finding a guildsman whose fingers.
Doesn't feel safe on the streets.
After eliminating habit of living.
Brooks.
Tea.
What's the gag? Didn't want any trouble.
Worse luck. I'm spoiling for a fight.
Few guards, residents upstairs. Stealing the mask shouldn't be a problem.
Not let the bed go cold.
I feel like I can think and act faster than normal when I concentrate.
All these
What happened to
beauties.
me?
I'd lift one myself if I didn't need the dog.
Someone there?
A thief in a jeweler store leaving empty-handed. She's terrible.
What's next? The next one goes to another stock a larder. Expensive habit. I'll tell him another expensive habit. Living.
Starving.
This honest work gives me a ballink. I wonder if I should check on his wife.
What happened to the sloop sellers?
I told her our lives would be different.
If he's got this on show, what else has he got locked away? I hate that friggin' bird. Goes crazy every time someone makes a noise.
You can smell the river from here.
Doesn't feel safe on the streets.
These jewels are glass. Still, it'll fetch good coin from someone who doesn't know better. I'll see myself out. An upstairs window should get me over that gate. This is my way out, but once I drop down, there's no coming back.
But I'd love being.
The old man remembers the Shalebridge fires. Flames so bright, night became day. Or was it smoke so thick, day became night?
I read that before the Baron was born, the city was at war.
Read it, did you?
Watch out.
No. Oh, this thing is doesn't like being with street don't forget the phone. Get the feeling something's wrong.
Wonder if the Baron can do something to stop the sickness from spreading.
Where it goes, we're getting orders to off anyone who shares logic with a groomer. House by house.
What?
Someone's there.
That's serious
Best
business.
stay hidden.
Shit, would we get more coin?
You're kidding!
I swear. Oh, please, sir. Please, sir.
He said, go stand under the window of that woman on Fleet's pocket. Her with the face that the rakers would throw back in the river. Try to make it crack a smile. Don't already. Do everyone a favor.
Careful, she's off to fetch the piss pot.
Yeah. They cry about martial law. They don't see that.
We locked the gates, you fog skull.
People love that.
When was the last time anyone saw his face?
From up Eastport way, right? Is the groom there yet?
Yep. River drains were clogged with the drowned. It was ripe. Huh?